Let's chin-wag about chin-wag. Hello, dear learners. Today, we are diving deep into the world of English idioms and exploring the fun phrase, chin-wag. Ever heard of it? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it in everyday conversation. Let's get started. Have you ever noticed how when people chat, their chins move up and down? The phrase, chin-wag, has its roots in this very observation. In this phrase, chin refers to the lower part of your face. Wag means to move something rapidly back and forth. So literally, chin-wag paints the picture of a moving chin, implying that someone is talking. Chin-wag is a casual and somewhat humorous term. It means a casual conversation or chat, usually about everyday topics. For example, you might hear someone say, "I bumped into Jane at the supermarket, and we had a quick chin-wag." This means they met Jane and had a short, informal conversation. Want to use chin-wag like a pro? Here are a few examples to help you incorporate this fun phrase into your vocabulary. 1. After the meeting, we had a chin-wag about our weekend plans. 2. I love our coffee breaks. It's the perfect time for a good chin-wag. 3. It's been ages since we last had a proper chin-wag. Let's catch up soon. Remember, chin-wag is best used in informal settings like among friends or in light-hearted situations. And there we have it. Next time you're engaged in a casual chat with someone, why not impress them with your new vocabulary word? We hope this video has been enlightening and that you've enjoyed our little chin-wag about chin-wag. Happy learning and chatting, everyone!